everyone, welcome to Sewing is Fun. Today in this video I'm going to show you some designer kurtis. So next time when you are going to prepare your own designer wear or giving it to your tailor, just keep in mind all these designs. So let's quickly get started.
Hi friends, this is Deepika. Welcome to my channel. In this video I will show you some unique kurti designs which you can try for party wears and casual looks also. So let's get started. This first one is a sheer fabric kurti, and it's having a sequin work, and it's kind of net fabric, so you have to wear inside camisole, and the leggings is of velvet, so that's what giving it a very fine look. The next kurti is again a plain kurti, and it's having a fabric buttons in the neckline till the waistline, and the beauty of this kurti is this contrast color net pink dupatta, which you can wear it with any plain kurtis and combine this kind of look. The next kurti is this bell sleeves kurti. It's a normal printed kurti, but the bell sleeves is what giving it a very nice look, and you can try this type of kurtis for daily wears. Another pattern for bell sleeves is this you can try with plain kurti also, and put some 2 or 3 ruffled fabric in the bell sleeves. Here one printed fabric and one plain fabric is used for making the ruffle of the bell sleeves, and this is what giving it a very dramatic look. Another kurti is this zigzag pattern kurti. This is a A-line kurti, and in the bottom of the kurti you can see so many tassels are hanging in the zigzag pattern, and some embroidery work is also given in the bottom and in the sleeves of the kurti. So you can try this type of kurti also for daily wears. Another party wear kurti you can try is this cape kurti. It's having a simple plain fabric, but the it's having some wooden buttons in the neckline, and some contrast color tassels are hanging in the border of the cape. So this is also you can try for party wears if you want any dramatic kind of look. Another pattern for cape kurti is this sheer fabrics cape kurti. Here solid color fabric is used inside, and sheer fabric is used outside for making the cape, and in the border some flower work is also given, so you can stick these kind of applique work flower patches in the border also. Another kurti is this tea pink and grey georgette chiffon high-low top with pearl embroidery on waistline. It's included as a tea pink sleeve, and it's having a raw silk trouser with ombre flares with sequined embroidery work. This is also very good for party wears. Another pattern in this deep pink chiffon georgette kurti is this double layered top with the pearl embroidered neckline and the cuff styling on sleeves. It's having a raw silk boot cut trousers with the deep pink 3D floral embroidery and pearls finishing in the bottom. So you can try this kind of kurtis for party wears too. Another simple pattern is this a symmetrical high-low pattern kurti. Here also you can make this kind of kurti with any printed fabric, and you have to hang this kind of tassels in the bottom for giving it this kind of look, and in the bottom you can wear any kind of skirts or plazos which are plain. You have to wear plain fabric, and kurti must be of printed, then only it will give this kind of look. So I hope you like these kurti designs, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.
Thank you so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe it and also click the bell icon to get the latest designer wear updates.